All right, we're back, and I did a procedure on this. I was able to get a lot of this burr off the edge from the last time it was replaced. I noticed there's a nick all the way back there, a little bit on the seat. But I tried. The idea is to just get the knurl off. I saved as much as the inner roundness, perfect roundness for the oil seal as I possibly could. But now it's smooth. My fingers, there's no knurl there or lip anymore. As you can see, it's pretty even now. And I decided to go all the way around and just smooth this edge for the next oil seal I get. Probably these are miniatures of basically diesels. I was a diesel mechanic, and we replaced oil seals all the time on the wheels. And these things are basically a miniature of that. And I think what I'm going to do with this one, since this has been beat up so bad, is I have some special sealer to go on that rubber, and it's oil resistant to seal this up good, because I don't want this leaking all over the place all the time. Heck, when I got it, it was just sitting here, it hadn't been run for years, and you just turned it over a few times and it was leaking oil out of this, and I don't want that going on. So that's the next procedure I'm going to try. If I have to, I guess I will pull the shaft and that cover and get a different one, but I shouldn't have to. I should be able to seal this up decently. I didn't get nothing in the bearings. Everything's good. Yeah, hopefully everything works out. All right, bye for now.